Being the stand-on vessel doesn't mean doing nothing.
It means being predictable.
Rule 17 explains when the stand-on vessel must maintain course and when it may need to act.
That means making maneuvers that are clear, purposeful, and obvious to other vessels.
Under normal circumstances, the stand-on vessel must maintain its course and speed. This consistency allows the give-way vessel to make a clear and safe maneuver. However, if it becomes clear that the give-way vessel is not taking appropriate action, the stand-on vessel may take action to avoid a collision. If a collision cannot be avoided by the give-way vessel alone, the stand-on vessel must take action.
Safety always comes first.
Imagine a crossing situation in which the stand-on vessel notices the give-way vessel continuing at the same speed without altering course. As the situation develops, the stand-on vessel may choose to slow down or make a small turn to starboard to avoid danger.
In an overtaking situation, the stand-on vessel always maintains course,
while the overtaker maneuvers. But if the overtaker misjudges distance, the stand-on vessel may need to react.
The key is attentiveness.
The stand-on vessel must monitor the situation carefully to determine whether the give-way vessel is acting in time. Rule 17 balances predictability with safety. It ensures that stand-on vessels do not create additional confusion by maneuvering unnecessarily, but also empowers operators to act when conditions demand it. If your action is needed, choose a maneuver that is clear, timely, and minimizes risk, typically slowing down or turning to starboard.
Understanding Rule 17 helps boaters navigate confidently.
Maintain course when appropriate, act when necessary, and always keep safety as your top priority. Predictability and awareness make the waterways safer for everyone.